Let's take one exercise here. The sun comes out, the stars disappears. We are to use here the word, the connector, as soon as. So as soon as the sun comes out, comma, the stars disappear. So in this way we can use the connector as soon as. Wait here till I shall come back then. There is no use of writing then. Wait here till I shall come. His father is rich. He is a miser. Although his father is rich, comma, he is a miser. She is hardworking. She is intelligent. She is hardworking and intelligent. Our luggage was heavy. We took a taxi. Our luggage was heavy, so we took a taxi. The doctor came. The patient had died. The patient had died, or the doctor came after the patient had died. The patient had died. So if we are trying to make with that after, so it will be wrong. So the doctor came after the patient had died. He did not come to school. He was not well. He did not come to school because he was not well. They were reading, we were playing. They were reading while we were playing. So while we use when there are same type of situation, the same type of structure when it will given into sentences, then we use to join while. The same activity is simultaneously going on from both of the side, then we will use while. They were reading while we were playing. So we are finding here the same structure. Were reading, were playing. He will hear the news, he will be happy. He will be happy when he will hear the news. It doesn't rain, the crops will perish. If it does not rain, comma, the crops will perish. We stand united, nobody can harm us. As long as we stand united, comma, nobody can harm us. He is tall and strong, he is a coward. He is tall and strong but is a coward. In this way, we can use connectors. I hope you have understood and you will do better in your exam.